Hi guys, welcome to another episode of How to Tutorials by Levonotion Studios. This is Super Sam once again, and in this very episode I'm going to show you how you can copy X, Y and Z channels at the same time in Blender. Let's get started. So I have this simple scene here with three different poses on frame 1, frame 3, and frame 5. And my intention is to preserve the position of the right arm on frame 3 and copy the rotation on the right hand on frame 1 and paste that on the pose in this frame 3. Okay, and the regular copy and paste method would not work for this, because when you copy and paste the traditional way, it's going to copy all attributes, which is the location, rotation and scale attribute of that particular pose, and I'm going to show you that. So when I use the command Ctrl+C to copy and go back to frame 3, Ctrl+V to paste, the result I have is the same pose as frame 1, and that is not what I want. Okay, so I'm going to undo, Ctrl+Z to go back to what we had previously. Okay, so now this is how to copy the rotation attributes alone. And you can also use the same method to copy the location attribute as well. It's not just for location. So going back to frame 1, and make sure the control you want to copy is selected, and over your mouse on the particular attribute you want to copy. In my case, I want to copy the rotation attribute. So I'll make sure my mouse is on the rotation attribute and then use the trick Ctrl+Alt and C to copy the rotation attribute on frame 1. And then I'm going to frame 3 to paste that attribute. Now to paste the attribute, make sure your cursor is on the rotation attribute as well. And then you go Ctrl+Alt and V. And as you can see, immediately the rotation value from frame 1 had been applied on frame 3. So just keyframe to lock that pose in. And now when I flip between frame 1 and frame 3, I can see that the location is preserved, but my rotation had been copied correctly from frame 1 to frame 3. And this is how you copy your unique attributes. So probably I would like to play around this and show you can also do the same thing with the location. Okay, so I want to copy the location from frame 3 and then paste that on frame 1. So let's see how that goes. Hover your mouse on the location, Ctrl+Alt+C to copy that, and then go to frame 5. Over your mouse on the location, Ctrl+Alt+V to paste that. As you can see, the hand snaps back to the position of the pose on frame 3. So I'm going to keyframe, and this is what we have. Yeah. So it is exactly not in the same location because the motion of the hand follows the chest of the character. It had been parented to the chest of the character, as you can see here. So IK parent chest. So that means there's an additive result here. So the current position of the hand will be added to the position of the chest to get the resultant position. I don't know if that makes sense to you. So guys, this is what I'm going to call it a wrap. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel if you've not done so, and until next time, keep your creativity blending.